Hi, I'm Petra. Welcome to Bona Yoga. If you are brand new to yoga, you are in the right place, and I'm so happy you are here. This session is designed just for you. Gentle, simple, and no pressure at all. You don't need to be flexible or know any pose names. Just follow along, move in a way that feels good, and enjoy the process. Let's start by finding a comfortable seat. You can sit on the floor on the cushion or even in a chair, whatever works best for you. Now take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. And let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. One more time, big breath in and let it all go. That's it. You're already doing yoga. You showed up, and that's the most important part. Now let's move together. Come onto your hands and knees like a tabletop. If you like to support your knees, you can place a blanket underneath your knees. So we will begin with cat and cow. As you inhale, lift your chest, let your belly soften and look slightly forward. As you exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, and press the floor away to stretch through the back. And let's do that a few more times at your own pace. Inhale to open up. Exhale, round the spine and stretch your back. Just feel the movement waking up your spine. No rush, no right or wrong, just move with your breath. You can slowly finish, bringing your spine back to neutral. Now let's bring your big toes together. Sit your hips back towards your heels and stretch your arms forward. If your head doesn't reach the floor, that's okay. Just relax wherever you are. Take a deep breath in and slow and full breath out. Feel your body getting a little softer with each breath. Let's take a few more breaths here. Allowing your facial muscles to soften, relaxing your shoulders down from the ears, your chest and belly towards the floor. Just allowing any tension to melt away. Now slowly start coming back onto your hands and knees. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up. Press your hands into the ground. So your body will look like an upside down V. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Just focus on making your spine long. Your knees can stay bent as much as you would like. And also your heels don't need to touch the ground. Let your head relax and take a deep breath in and sigh it out. One more deep breath in and sigh it out. Now slowly start walking your feet towards your hands and bringing your feet about hip width apart. Allow your torso to completely relax. your belly towards your thighs, so keeping your knees bent and maybe folding your forearms so you can add a little sway side to side. Allow your head to feel heavy. Relax through the neck. And once you're ready, take your time, slowly bring yourself up to standing. So lift your head, your shoulders, bring your hands to your hips, push into your heels and slowly start coming up to standing. So take a moment here to stand nice and tall, relaxing your shoulders down from the ears, checking your feet so they are parallel and about hip width apart. With your next breath in, go ahead and circle your arms up towards the ceiling. And hold onto your left wrist. Gently pull your left arm up and over into our side bend. So gently stretching through the left side of the body, shifting your hips to the left. With your inhalation, rise back to center and go ahead, let's switch sides. So hold on to your right wrist, gently pulling your right arm up and over to the left. Feeling the stretch through the right side, gently pushing your hips to the right. Return back to center, inhale. And as you exhale, slowly release your arms back down. Now go ahead and step your left foot back. Now and turn your back foot slightly in. Right foot is pointing straight forward. Now bend your front knee, and once you are ready, let's stretch your arms wide, one reaching forward and one back. Your front knee should stay above your ankle, not too far forward. Now look over your front hand and take a deep breath. Feel strong and steady here. Now bring your left hand onto your hip, turn your right palm up towards the ceiling, and reach your right arm up and over, reversing our warrior. So nice deep stretch through the right side of the body. Try to relax your head, your ear towards the shoulder. Take one more breath in. And as you exhale, slowly release. Bring your right hand back on the hip. Look towards your right foot and slowly start stepping your left foot to meet your right. So come to standing back at the top of your yoga mat. We will switch sides. So ground through the sole of your left foot and step your right foot back. Keeping your left toe straight and right toe slightly turned in. Again, opening your arms, left arm reaches forward, right arm back. Try to keep your shoulders stacked right over your hips. Look over your left hand and pause here. Nice deep breath in. And a slow and gentle breath out. Checking your front knee stacked over your ankle. And once you're ready, bringing your right hand on the hip. Turn your left palm up and reaching your arm up and over into our ladder stretch. Well done. And you can again slowly release. Bring your left hand back on the hip. Look on your front foot so you can come back to standing at the top of the mat. Now come down to sit on the floor with your legs stretched out in front of you. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms up, and as you breathe out, lean forward over your legs. Your hands can rest on your legs, your feet, or just hang wherever they land. No need to force it, just feel the gentle stretch. Your body is doing exactly what it needs to do. So try to relax your head towards your knees. You're not holding your head in the air. Relax through the back of the neck. Just breathe here for a moment. Now you can slowly start rolling your spine all the way back up to a seat. And take a moment to rest. Plant your hands behind your body. You can shake your legs out. And we will do seated twist. So go ahead, keep your left leg extended out in front of you and cross your right leg over your left. Bring your left arm around your knee or your shin, or you can place your left hand on the knee to make this twist a little more gentle. Place your right fingertips behind your body to support yourself into this twist. So nice deep inhale to find length through the spine. So I think of reaching up through the crown of the head. And as you exhale, gently twisting your torso to the right. Once you are ready, come back to center so we can switch sides. So crossing your left leg over your right, so bending your left knee and start twisting over to the left. Keep grounding through your both hips, so keeping your spine nice and long as you breathe in. And as you exhale, gently twisting to the left. So think of twisting just your upper body. Gently focusing on the twist, pushing your left shoulder back. Without forcing anything, just breathing here into your twist. We will meet back in the center. Re-extend your left leg back out, shake it out. And then go ahead and bring the soles of the feet together and allow your knees to fall out to the sides. You can keep your feet in front of the knees, or you can pull your heels closer towards your body for a deeper stretch. So maybe holding your feet or your ankles, sit nice and tall. Let's add on little stretches through the neck. So slowly start looking over your left shoulder. Back to center and look over your right shoulder. And let's repeat this movement one more time. Look over one shoulder and then the other. Now tilting your head to one side towards one shoulder to stretch through the side of the neck. And switching sides, so dropping the other ear towards the shoulder. And again, feel free to repeat this movement one more time. Bring your head back to center. Now using your hands, bring your knees back together. Now go ahead, let's lay down on your back. Bend your knees and gently holding your knees, pull your knees towards your body. Gently rocking, perhaps side to side, adding a little massage for your lower back. Try to keep your face, your shoulders soft. Now holding the back of the legs, extend both legs up towards the ceiling. Feel free to keep your knees bent. And a couple times, feel free to flex and point your toes, gently stretching through the back of the legs, your calves. And then once you're ready, just completely relax your legs in the air. And then slowly bend both knees again. Gently start pulling your knees towards your belly once more. Now go ahead, extend one leg at a time, preparing for our final resting pose. So you can place your hands on your belly first and take a moment to breathe into your belly. Feeling your hands to rise as you breathe in. And with your breath out, softening through the belly. Let's take one more breath down into your belly. Allow your belly to fully expand. And slow and gentle exhale out to release any tension. When you are ready, start wiggling your fingers and toes. Gently roll to one side and slowly sit back up. Now take a moment to notice how you feel. You showed up today, you moved, you breathed, and you took time for yourself. That's something to be proud of. If the day felt a little challenging, that's okay. Keep practicing, and over time, things will start to feel more natural. The most important thing is that you keep showing up for yourself. And if you enjoyed this session, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more beginner-friendly classes. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Namaste.